My name is Grace Sakula, and today I will be going over the biophilic infrastructure of the Devereux Meadow Park Concept Plan. The Devereux Meadow Park Concept Plan is a proposal for a 14-acre public park in downtown Raleigh, near the intersection of Peace Street and Capitol Boulevard. The plan was developed by the city's Parks, Recreation, and Cultural Resources Department in collaboration with the Downtown Raleigh Alliance and other stakeholders. The park will be located near the new Raleigh Union Station and designed as a public domain space for gathering, recreation, education, and community engagement with a focus on sustainability and accessibility. The plan includes a range of strategies to address equity and inclusion with the goal of creating a park that is accessible, welcoming, and inclusive for all members of the community. Local residents have been invited to provide feedback and input on the proposed design, and their feedback has been incorporated into the final plans for the park. This approach supports the principle of biophilic design that emphasizes the importance of social connections and community engagement in creating healthy and sustainable environments. 3 concepts were developed for the park design, and a public survey was used to determine which scheme to move forward with. The third scheme, called Meander, was found to be the preferred approach through which the park would offer an urban nature experience by reconstructing Pigeon House Branch to imitate a natural meandering stream with a floodplain characteristic of a Piedmont stream. Some aspects of the other concept alternatives were also positively received and have been incorporated into the final design. One of the key features of the park is its accessibility. The park has been designed with a range of entry points and pathways that are accessible to people of all ages and abilities. The concept plan for the park incorporates a robust biophilic infrastructure. The strategy for daylighting Pigeon House Branch involves removing the concrete channel and restoring the creek to a more natural state, including the creation of a wetland area. This will help to improve water quality, enhance the habitat for native species, and mitigate flooding. A series of rain gardens throughout the park will capture and treat stormwater runoff, reducing erosion and improving water quality. Bioswales along the park's edges will capture and treat stormwater runoff from adjacent roads and parking areas, also reducing erosion and improving water quality. Permeable pavement will be used in the parking lot and other areas, allowing stormwater to infiltrate into the ground rather than running off into nearby streams. The park design incorporates a range of native plantings which provide habitats for birds and other wildlife, improve ecological health, and help to improve biodiversity in the urban environment. The planting of a diverse urban forest throughout the park will provide shade, improve air quality, and support biodiversity. The use of green roofs on the park's restroom and maintenance buildings will reduce the heat island effect, improve stormwater management, and provide a habitat for native species. A pollinator garden will provide a habitat for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. The park will include a community garden where residents can grow their own food and connect with other members of the community. A nature play area with trails and water features will provide opportunities for children to explore and connect with nature. Pathways in the park include a greenway, boardwalks, and winding trails. And several areas have been designed for gatherings, including 2 entry plazas and scattered lawns and seating areas throughout for picnics, games, and other community events. In addition to these features, the park will also provide a range of cultural and educational opportunities for the community. This includes the park's amphitheater for concerts, performances, and other cultural events, as well as a multicultural art walk meadow to celebrate the cultural diversity of the surrounding community and to create a sense of belonging for all park visitors. And lastly, there will be educational programs focused on environmental stewardship and sustainability. Overall, the Devereux Meadow Park Concept Plan is intended to create a vibrant new public domain space with a range of biophilic design strategies to support the health and well-being of the Raleigh community.